Hello guys, myself Naurasa, and in this tutorial, I will show you how you can store image into the server and later on retrieve that image to display it on our web page. Now before I continue this video, I want to thanks to Hostinger to sponsor this video. It's been a week I'm using Hostinger and I like it because of its clean custom design admin panel, great customer support, and last but not least, they host our website on SSD, which makes the load time of our website very fast. So if you are interested on hosting, then use my promo code CODEANDCOINS and you will get 15% discount on your purchase. Now without further ado, let's start this tutorial. First open PHP go to SQL section, then write a code to create a table. Create table called image. In this image table, we have a column called ID. Its data type is int. Make it auto increment. Our another table is file name. Data type variable character. Length 255. And the last column is uploaded on. Data type date time. At last make ID as a primary key. Run this query. And here you can see our table has been created. Now the next step is creating files and folder. We need 3 files and 1 folder. First one is config.php. Second is index.php. Third is upload.php. At last, folder uploads. Now start with configuration file. We use this configuration file to establish our database connection. Let's write localhost database username then we need database password database name. Then we check if there is any error during database connection by writing if At last, close PHP script. Save this. Then open index.php and write a following code. Here I write action equal to upload.php because I want to send image using upload.php file, and here we are using post method, and encrypt type equal to multipart form data because we are sending image. Now if I save this and go to the browser, here we get our first layout. But at this time this page does not work because we haven't write a code to upload image. So go to upload.php file, then write include config.php status message back link We use this starter message to display error message or success message, and we use backlink to go to our home page. Target directory, uploads, and this uploads is our folder name where we want to store our image. From this coding, we fetch the name of our selected image. Here we are combining target directory and file name to make target file path. After that, cache file extension from a file. Then we check, did user click the submit button? And also, is there any file selected? If yes, then you do the upload process. Else, we display error message. At the end, we print the status message. Now let's say file name is not empty and user click the submit button. And for that, we write a following code. First, we store the file extension in an array which we allow our user to upload. Then to avoid duplicate file entry, we continue this upload process only if this image did not exist in upload folder. So write if then we check is this file contain any of this extension by writing if after that we upload that image into an uploads folder. If the image is successfully uploaded, then we store the image details in a database table. Here we are passing file name to the file name column and current date and time to the uploaded on column. Then we check is this insertion become success or not. If this insertion been success, then we put success message in status MSG. Else we display upload fail message. Also an else statement if image fail to upload in the server. Then another else statement if extension did not match. And the last else statement if the image already exists in the server. Also here I forget a dot. Now save this. Choose the image. Upload. And here it says this image has been successfully uploaded. Now if I go to PHP and refresh the page, here you can see our new image details has been inserted successfully. Now to display that image, we have to write few more lines of code in index.php file. Here we are include config file to have a database connection. After that we select file name from a table image and then order by uploaded on column. At last pass image URL to the image source. Save this. Here is Mrs. fill this image. Let's upload another image. And it's work. And this is how we upload image into the server. If you have any queries on this video, then leave it on the comment section. If you found this video helpful, then share this video to your friends and also subscribe to my channel. And once again I want to say this video is sponsored by Hostinger. So if you are interested in hosting, then they provide high performance hosting in an affordable price. Just you have to use my promo code and coins and you will get 15% discount on your purchase. And you can also find this link on the description.